Alright, welcome to my channel. This is Chuck. What I'm working on today is this Assa 700. It is a 7-pin lock. It has some very interesting pins. So chamber 1, we have a torpedo with a Christmas tree. Pin 2 is a torpedo with a Christmas tree. 3, standard, tapered pin above it. 4 is a torpedo with a Christmas tree above it. 5 is a standard, very long standard, and a tapered pin. 6, torpedo, and then a Christmas tree above it, and then we have a short torpedo above a taper pin. See the key, as you can tell, corresponding that 7th position is a very high lift behind this fairly long key, and this one right here is actually a 0 lift. You have to be very careful around this because if you nudge it at all, I'm surprised they didn't put one of those torpedoes there. Nudge it at all, it'll mess you up. The plug itself has counter milling to match each of those Christmas trees. So on 1, 2, 4, and 6, there's counter milling that comes into play with those Christmas trees. The Bible itself doesn't have anything I can find to any kind of counter milling or anything in it. But it doesn't need it. With the counter milling there and those Christmas trees, this is one tough little lock. So let me get it back together and show you the picking. Oh my God. Oh, hot damn, yes. Sorry. It is open. Yeah. Alright, I do not want to break this thing. Yes, that's open. Alright. Alright, it's open. You can tell. Alright. Now, this side of the way, put you down, stay in the frame. Alright, slide you up, make sure you're in the frame. Alright. Okay. Ow, my elbow. I'm gonna lock it back up. Okay, it's locked up. Take this. This isn't a C clip for it, but I had to use it. I had to find a C clip for it. That would at least hold the cord together. Okay. Alright. Let me just shim in here. That should be good as long as I push it with it. Dump them before I mess up. All right. Show it real quick. Anti-drill is still in there. 2 anti-drills, and then all the key pins. Pin 1. It's a torpedo. Pin 2 is a torpedo. Through 3 is a standard. 4 torpedo. 5 is standard. 6 is standard. And 7 is a little short torpedo. Get these straightened up real quick. Okay. Alright, of course these there. I'm gonna pull them out from the back. So let me see if I can get it up here where you can see them as I take them out. Pin 1 is a taper. There's the spring. Okay. Pin 2 is the Christmas tree. Let's say 1 and 2. That's 7 and 6. Sorry. And 5. Another taper. Let me see. Is it focusing? the spring. Okay. So what is that? 765. This should be 4. It's right there. Christmas tree. Alright, we'll come from the other side. Oop, crud. About shot that one across the room. Slow down. But anyway, there it is. Christmas tree. One. I did shoot that one across the room. I'll get that in a minute. Okay, there is the next Christmas tree. 2. And the spring. And then 3. See right there. 3 is a taper. And come on out, spring. And here's the spring for 3. I'll have to find a spring for 1. So let's see if I can fill down in there. I don't feel anything in the Bible, I guess you'd say. I don't feel any kind of milling there. Alright, but the core has counter milling matching the Christmas tree. So it was 1, 2, 4, and 6. So 1, got counter milling. 2, 4, and 6. Got that corresponding counter milling in there. Of course, the anti-drill pins right there. Nothing else different on the core. Alright. I'll have to find that spring in a minute. Try to give you a good close-up of the pins. Of course, torpedo, Christmas tree, torpedo, Christmas tree, standard, taper, torpedo, Christmas tree, standard, taper, torpedo, Christmas tree, and then a short torpedo with a taper. So let's see if I can find that spring. I feel it hit my leg real quick. It's just right here on the floor. Probably not up. Oh, there it is. Come here. So there's the final one. Alright, so there, one more close up with that final spring on there. Alright. Sorry if I bumped the table. It looks like it's shaking right now, but alright, there you have it. Whew, Assa. Assa 700. I don't know if I showed the key, but that's it. One more time. All right. Well, shout out to Lady Locks for loaning me the lock, and thanks for all the people that gave me great advice online. So, and all the support, I appreciate it. Thanks. All right, thanks for watching.